You're going to want to take a moment to sit down because I have something to get off my chest. Are you ready? Okay. I have been lying to you. It's true. I have. I've been lying to you for the past 4 months on here. Crazy, right? You see, 4 months ago, I told you that I was going to be doing a scrunch bum legging YouTube series where I try on all of my different color leggings. Well, I didn't deliver on that. I know. I will give you a moment to take that in, to breathe out and in. Okay, you good? Perfect. Get ready because I am about to bring you the best scrunch bum legging try on that you have ever seen. So before I show you the rest of my outfit, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like your new favorite video. Are you ready to get into it? I'm going to count down from 5, and when I get to 1, I'm going to do the reveal. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Okay, let's do the reveal. What do you think? Do you like them as much as I do? These scrunch bums come from Posh Snob Leggings, and they are in a size large. As you can see, they hug my hips and my behind perfectly, giving an amazing scrunch. It's literally like I have nothing on. They are the best workout leggings, and yeah, I just really like how they fit. They honestly feel like second skin. I will pop the details down below in my video description. So again, they are from Posh Snob Leggings, a size large to fit my 49-inch hips. Now it's actually getting quite hot here in the sun, so I'm just going to take my top off. So I have paired it with that white shirt that you just saw and this black sports bra from Shein. Gotta say, I really like it. And I think it might have become a new top for my dancing. What do you think? Is this outfit a keep? Or are we tossing it away? Let me know in the comments down below which one do you think I should do, keep or toss. Now, as always, I have to show you what I am wearing down below on my feet. And I paired it with white runners and white socks. So now comes the age-old question. Are these squattable? Now, I actually don't go to the gym because I have a gym set up in my garage, so I don't get to show off cute outfits like this. But if I did go to the gym, I would 100% wear something like this. So anyway, back to the question. Can I squat in it? Four, five, six. What do you think? Do they pass the squat test? I mean, it's not like I've got anywhere to wear them, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh my gosh, my heart is racing a million miles an hour. I really struggled to do those squats because I did legs today. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you let me know in the comments down below, keep or toss, which one are we gonna do? And if you want to see more of me, check out my Patreon page and my new Instagram account. It'll take you to that link